In this video, we're going to read scatter plots. Let's start with the first question. What is the type of association in the scatter plot? So an association could be something that's positive. So it's going up from left to right. It could be negative, going down from left to right, or all the points could be scattered and there's no association. This one is positive because the points increase as they move from left to right. So this answer is positive. Next question. At x equals 20, how much more is the y value of the data point than the y value predicted by the line of best fit? So we're going to start at x is 20, and my line of best fit crosses at 8 balloons, and the point that's there crosses at 12. So the difference between 12 and 8 is 4. So in this case, how much more? It is 4 more. So let's take a look at this scatter plot. The calcium carbonate concentration in parts per million and the pH for 8 seawater samples are shown below in the scatter plot. We can see the calcium carbonate concentration on the x-axis and the pH over here on the y. So now the question that they're asking, which is closest to the calcium carbonate concentration of the seawater having the highest pH? So I'm looking at the pH and I want the highest number. And the highest point is this one over here. So they're just asking what's the X value over here? What's the calcium carbonate? And it would be 120. And that's the answer.